What is up, Scatter Crew? Got my other ride right here. Got the CTSV, the Jeep Wrangler ADHD. Yeah. Anyways, so right now we're gonna show you how to adjust the headlights that I just installed. This headlight in particular fits the 09 to 14 F150, but I'm pretty sure they're all the same. So if you can see right there, I got my left headlight and I've got my right headlight, and we're gonna keep an eye on those bad boys here in just a second. Let me shut my garage door. Right now it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Just kidding. But anyways, if you look down in this hole, you got that little thing right there. Right? Check this out. You got your bolt for the install. That's where you're gonna adjust the headlight. So we're gonna take this Phillips head screwdriver and we are going to stick it down this hole. All right, now I need like two, 3, 4, 5 people here to do this, but I think we can get it. All right, so now keep an eye on that left side. Let's see here. Come on, I think it's turning. See, yeah, it's kind of raising a little bit. I need to try to lower it down a little bit. All right, so I think that's, oh, there we go. It's going down a little further. Barely, like it's barely moving. But I'm thinking that's all the farther it's gonna go. Yeah, now it's raising back up a little bit. You know, I'm gonna pull this truck up just a tiny bit more. All right, so I decided to pull my truck here straight, which you can see now I am raising the light up. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can tell, but now I'm going to lower it back down. So I'm turning the screw clockwise, and that is bringing it back down. So I'm pretty sure, let's see if it'll go a little bit more. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, now it's raising back up. Okay, so right about there I think is about perfect. Okay, so that is where you're gonna want to put your screwdriver. So screw here, there's this little hole right there, and there's a little gear down in there. It's not an actual Phillips head or anything like that, but I took this Phillips screwdriver right here and I looked down in that hole while I was changing it and making sure that the gear was turning. So now let's go test this bad boy out. I'm not gonna film me driving, but before, those were way off. That side was clear up here and this side was way down here. So when I was driving, it was creating a little like dead patch of light right in the center, and I do not like that. So like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the longer term review on these headlights. We're gonna give you a little longer term review on them, but so far yeah, they just needed adjusting. But look at them, they look so much better. That little halo around them. Ooh yeah, looks good. Wait. Let's show you what they look like without the headlights. Just the running lights. So that's just the running lights. Got that little halo around them. Kind of like the newer trucks. So it gives it a little newer appeal. But yeah, that's it. Sorry I got this like spotlight here I got. But that's it. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I don't know, maybe we'll put some other stuff on here. Maybe I can convince this company here, if they watch this, to hook me up with maybe a light bar. Maybe they got a light bar that'll fit right in the center there, or anything else for the F-150. I don't know. Anyways, have a good night. Drive safe.